Welcome everyone. Let's explore the process of making delicious banana cake. The journey begins in vast plantations, where advanced automation redefines banana harvesting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Freshly harvested green bananas begin their journey on the processing vehicle. The fresh harvest begins its journey from the lush plantations to the advanced processing facilities. Colossal automated gantries meticulously begin the complex process of unloading fresh green bananas. Pallets of freshly harvested bananas are smoothly transferred onto the advanced conveyor network, commencing their journey.
The sensors on the
Skilled
lower
factory
line are
workers
showing a
oversee
slight
the automated
variance.
process,
Yes, I see
ensuring
that.
every
Adjust the
step
flow rate
meets
by
rigorous
5%.
standards. A tidal wave of fresh green bananas begins their cleansing journey through state-of-the-art flume systems. Hundreds of feet of precisely engineered channels ensure every banana receives an immaculate initial wash. This sophisticated system ensures meticulous cleanliness, preparing them for the next stage. Advanced optical sorters meticulously evaluate each green banana, ensuring top quality. Lasers and cameras meticulously scan each banana, identifying minute imperfections with incredible speed. Imperfections are swiftly detected and diverted, maintaining product integrity. This state-of-the-art system ensures only premium quality green bananas proceed. Flawlessly peeled, the pristine bananas move swiftly to the next stage. Automated precision ensures every banana meets exacting standards. From raw produce to perfect fruit, technology streamlines every step. The journey of transformation begins with perfectly peeled, firm green bananas. Precision machinery rapidly transforms each banana into perfectly uniform slices. The freshly cut slices begin their journey on the wide, automated conveyor belts. Each slice is perfectly aligned for the next stage of processing. Precision machinery gently guides uniform slices, beginning their transformation. observation windows, the gradual transformation unfolds over hours. Precise heat and airflow systems ensure optimal drying conditions. Colossal robotic arms make minute adjustments, perfecting the drying environment. A macro lens reveals the intricate transformation of the banana surface. The final stage of drying through the observation window reveals a perfectly processed product. Precision processing ensures every dried banana slice meets rigorous quality standards. The colossal milling machine transforms the dried slices into fine, versatile banana powder. Advanced robotics ensure flawless product handling and continuous operational flow. Advanced automation transforms raw bananas into perfect dried slices, ensuring consistent quality. Each dried banana slice is a testament to natural sweetness and perfect crunch. Our versatile dried bananas enhance a range of delicious baked goods and desserts. The peeled bananas, once vibrant green, now prepare for transformation into a smooth puree. Inside the colossal machine, the bananas are meticulously transformed into a perfect, consistent puree. The freshly made banana puree flows steadily, collected for the next stage of bread production. Colossal machinery orchestrates the precise blending of ingredients, ensuring perfect consistency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Each batch is meticulously crafted, a testament to industrial innovation. Precision robotics ensure consistent quality across every massive batch. The blend achieved, ready for the next delicious transformation. Automated depositors precisely portion the golden dough into thousands of pans moving in perfect unison. Each pan receives its perfect measure, ensuring consistent quality. Robotic systems meticulously monitor every pan, ensuring consistent quality. The continuous flow of pans underscores the line's immense capacity. Thousands of perfectly portioned pans glide towards the next phase of their transformation. Loaf pans embark on a precise journey into the colossal, climate-controlled tunnel oven. Within precise heat zones, the banana bread majestically rises, transforming. A perfect golden crust begins to form, a testament to precise temperature control. A monumental achievement, this 300-foot tunnel oven epitomizes industrial scale and efficiency. Wisps of steam rise as intense heat perfects each individual loaf. Reaching peak perfection, each loaf boasts an ideal golden hue and delectable texture. Freshly baked and golden, each perfect loaf emerges, ready for cooling and packaging. The immense, glowing tunnel oven stands ready, awaiting the next continuous production cycle. Precision robotics ensure every loaf is perfectly handled, moving from oven to cooling with unmatched efficiency. Each loaf, baked to golden perfection, now begins its cooling journey, a crucial step for quality. Automated systems ensure consistent quality and maximum output, a hallmark of modern baking. Precision is key in ensuring every batch of banana bread meets the highest standards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The perfect crumb structure and rich aroma are vital indicators of quality. Only after rigorous testing is the banana bread ready for its journey. Advanced automation ensures precision packaging, sealing in freshness and quality. Robotic precision ensures each package is perfectly sealed, ready for distribution. Meanwhile, another line packages delicious banana bread, ready for consumers. Every dessert is meticulously prepared and packaged, ensuring consistent quality. In the vast packaging hall, automated lines prepare banana bread for distribution. Automated slicers precisely portion each loaf for individual servings. Sliced banana bread swiftly transitions to advanced wrapping technology. Automated systems precisely seal each package, ensuring peak freshness. Robotics ensure every product is perfectly packed, ready for distribution. Synchronized robotic arms ensure unparalleled speed and consistent quality. The case packing area is a symphony of automated precision, showcasing ultimate efficiency. From individual package to consolidated case, every step is flawlessly executed. Thousands of meticulously packed cases stand ready, a testament to modern manufacturing. Automated systems seamlessly transport finished banana desserts to a state-of-the-art storage facility. Colossal robotic cranes gracefully begin their dance, preparing to lift the heavy pallets. With incredible speed and accuracy, the crane glides through the towering aisles. With exacting precision, each pallet finds its perfect place on shelves dozens of stories high. The towering shelves represent the culmination of precise automation, organizing vast inventory. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. From arrival to storage, the entire process is a seamless display of technological prowess.